This is my class introduction. How you doing? My name is Julian King. Some things about me. I was born December 22nd, 1991. My family is from Jamaica, but I was raised in Landover, Maryland. I am the second youngest of 12 siblings. Yes, I said that. The second youngest of 12 siblings. I have 10 older brothers. Well, 10 brothers, 2 sisters. One brother is younger than me. He's currently a freshman at Salisbury University. Favorite colors are blue and neon green. Favorite sports teams, the Boston Celtics. As you can see behind me, the Larry Bird jersey. Pointed the wrong way. Bow. Larry Bird. Boston. Then you see Tennessee Titans. Bow. Tennessee Titans. Real fan. Then Washington Nationals, Washington Capitals, and Barcelona. I just think they're a very good soccer team. Favorite movies, Disney movies such as The Lion King, Aladdin. Those are movies I grew up on, so those are movies I particularly like. Remember the Titans, and I think Straight Outta Compton is a classic. So, that tells a little bit about me. Education, I graduated from Duval High School in 2009. Duval is in Lanham, Maryland. I am a PG County product. And then, in 2014, I graduated with my degree in mathematics from Virginia Union University. The Virginia Union University. Played football there, had the chance to meet some great people there, and I wouldn't trade that experience for the world. My teaching experience, I taught in high school for 3 years. I taught Algebra 1 and Geometry, and this is when I was working in Richmond, Virginia. This is when I first got my first teaching job straight out of college, and I had to apply all those things from the classroom in college to the things teaching in the classroom, and it was a great experience. And currently, I'm teaching middle school. I'm in my second year teaching middle school, teaching Algebra 1, Math 7, Math 8, and I'm teaching in Fort Washington, Maryland. This is an adjustment because this is Southern Maryland, and I grew up more in Northern Maryland. So it's an adjustment, learning some things that are done differently down here, but it's a great experience nevertheless. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Please feel free to ask me in our discussions. I look forward to working with all of you during our group projects and our discussions and elaborating on your ideas and just being able to kind of brainstorm with you and get through this class so we can all be technology leaders in whatever county or school or even state that we choose to move forward in. So outside of that, thank you. Have a wonderful day.